Hey, morning everybody, it's Keith from Jets PC. Well, today I'm going to do the processor swap. We're going from a 3rd gen i5 to a 3rd gen i7. That's 3720QM quad-core processor. And we're going to see how nice a boost we get out of it. Now, using the program called pSensor, or package called pSensor. That looks like, already open. Looks like the CPU, the i5 is basically idling about 37 degrees Celsius. I've done some updates, so it's been running a little bit. So we're under 40 with the stock cooler. What I'm going to do is the processor swap, and then check some thermals with the new i7, but remaining with the single pipe cooling system that's in the laptop now. I want to see how much it's affected by it. I'll load it down, things like that. I can remember doing these and not swapping the the heatsink assembly for the processor, and not having thermal issues before. So I'm going to test it and see if it gets excessive. Then sure, I'll order the second pipe CPU cooler assembly and go from there. But this is doing an adequate job with the i5. Now we'll check for i7. I'll run benchmarks on it after I get through with the swap. So that's today's project. Thanks for tuning in. I'm seeing lots of chat about it on the YouTube channel, and that's a good thing. Always a good spot to swap ideas and see what people are doing out there. Well, thanks for tuning in, and thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Y'all have a good day, and come on by and see us at the shop.